a must-visit destination in Nakhon Nayok is also Sarika Waterfall because it's in the national park, so they protect the environment very good. They don't allow us to bring alcohol and fruits to the waterfall area. It's very good. The national park that I'm talking about is Khao Yai National Park. It includes 4 provinces: Nakhon Nayok, Nakhon Ratchasima, Prajinburi, and Saratburi. Okay, let's enjoy our time in the refreshing water. They also give us a warning about the danger zone. Look like there are termites. It's another place to admire a majestic view of the waterfall. We come here on weekends, so there are a lot of people hanging out. They close here because of many accidents. We at a high-rated cafe and restaurant in Nakhon Nayok. It's called 2nd November. Say hello to my sister. They've got a very beautiful cake. They put grapes on the top of the cake. It looks so beautiful and it's very tasty. They take the seeds out too. This is the grape cake. This is cheesecake, and they put a lot of grapes on the top of the cake. I guess this is raspberry sauce. Their colorful salad. Look what they give us. So this is kind of like tempura. Is fried prawn, apples, a lot of veggies. And what's interesting about this cafe is that they serve us with the Thai style basket. These are 2 cool photo spots of 2nd November Cafe and Organic Farm. We are at another awesome restaurant in Nakhon Nayok. It's a Thai restaurant, and this restaurant, my sister, she been here. The time that Thai people usually get dinner is 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Includes my family, maybe other family are different. You can see there are many guests at this restaurant. If you don't usually eat fish sauce, you can get tam Thai, and this one is adds some salted egg too. It's gonna add flavorfulness into our papaya salad. This is Gung Che Nam Pa. It's fresh prawn soaked with fish sauce. My sister's favorite dish. This one is Nampik Kapi, chim praise. We usually eat it with fried mackerel and a lot of vegetables, white turmeric. I love this. they add some bell pepper to make it more colorful. Let us show you our room at our resort. It's 1,125 from the door till the bedroom. Refrigerators is really big. Sometimes when I go to low budget resorts, they will give us like this big refrigerator. And let's have a look at their bathroom. Small bottle of the shampoo, conditioner, soap, and others. Maybe you wonder why I wear a bikini, because we are going to hang out at a swimming pool later. Okay, this is the shower. Have plastic curtains. They have a sofa too. I've never been to 1,125 baht hotel that include a sofa and hair dryer too. Okay, this is the table that we're gonna put makeup on. The bed. They have new AC, unbelievable. Okay, they've got a TV for us too. Alright, let's go to the swimming pool. The water is quite warm, so I think you're gonna like it. Especially Americans who like shower with warm water. It's not too deep, it's about 130 centimeters. They did pretty good job with their garden. Look at this. It's so neat. One of the most important tools, they provide us multiple plugs. That's awesome. I've talked about all the pros of this resort. Let's talk about the cons. The cons is the bed is a little bit hard. The blanket is pretty thin and is kinda itchy too. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please press the like button and subscribe to Munike channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.